Ali, dressed in a white kurta pajama and a prayer cap, is walking through an ornate archway, presumably on his way to the mosque for prayers. Namaz. Ali spots his friend Ahmed playing cricket in a street setting, holding a bat with stumps set up behind him. Ali approaches Ahmed and tells him it's time for namaz, and they should go to the mosque. Ahmed replies he wants to play just one more over first. Ali gently explains that they shouldn't get so engrossed in playing that they forget namaz, reminding Ahmed that Allah is watching and prayer should come first. Ahmed thinks for a moment, agrees with Ali, puts down his bat, and says namaz is the most important thing, deciding to go to the mosque. The scene shifts to show two men praying together inside a beautiful mosque. The video ends by showing Ali again, with a voiceover stating he is sad because no one has subscribed to his channel, implicitly asking viewers to subscribe.